How to make a paracord bracelet profit. Hello everyone, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet, stay tuned cause tutorial is just around the corner. Enjoy and have fun. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use this Lime Paracord 550. Credit for today's bracelet goes to our friend Elena Polkanova, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will post the link to Elena's or Elena's Instagram profile. So that being said, we're gonna take the ends of our paracords, find the center and start with the bracelet core. So now when we created our bracelet core, 4-strand core, we're gonna start with the weaving process. We're gonna first take the right side cord and we're gonna pass it from the top on top of those two core strands from the left side. Then we're gonna go under and we're gonna return it from the middle of the bracelet core, so between second and the third core strand, and we're gonna pull it up, sorry, like so. Now from here we're gonna take our left paracord or left strand of a paracord and we're gonna pull it from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand. So take it and from the top into the gap and to the side, the left side, and from the left we're gonna return it under this strand or under the left strand, and now we're gonna cinch it and proceed. So from here we're gonna take the left strand first and we're gonna pass it on top of these two core strands on the right side, then under, and from the back we're gonna return it through the middle and pull it all the way to the left side. we created a little loop here. Now we're gonna take our right side cord and we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between first and the second cord strand from the right side. And from here we're gonna pass it under this right side cord and to the left. Now we're gonna cinch it and proceed. So from here we're gonna take the right side cord, pass it on top of the two left cord strands, then make it around from the back through the middle and to the right side, and with the left strand we're gonna pass it from the top into the gap between first and the second cord strand from the left, and now we're gonna return it from the left side under this left strand cord and to the right side. So here we are, we finished our bracelet. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. If you have any questions, suggestions, etc., you can leave a comment down below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So that being said, until the next time, wishing you just best, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!